Alright, this video I won a giveaway from Toolbox Widget. Guess what? Even got the shirt. See what it says? Need money for tools. Toolbox Widget, and it says it on the back. That's awesome. You see that stuff over there? Check this out. 2 plier, modular plier organizers, 3 screwdrivers, 1 large wrench organizer. It holds 10 large wrenches, it says. Well, it says 10 large wrench widgets, whatever that means. And then we got 3 of the regular ones. We also, wait, that's upside down. We also got that. That's awesome. Which is right there. Check them suckers out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sound like something was in it. I must have hit the bag. And here's another modular wrench organizer, but then we got these. I have no idea what these are. 2 of them. And then we got some knuckle scrubber. It's like soap, 2 bars of it. That is awesome. And this big, nice banner says Toolbox Widget on it, which you probably can't hardly see. That I am going to put right there. Take those down and put this up there. At least I think I am anyway. So let's get these boxes open and check this stuff out. Okay, this is what they look like. This is the screwdriver ones. Got one here too. We also come with these. At first I was wondering what these are. I've never used Toolbox Widget stuff, so I don't know. But I'm assuming they're spacers. There's a bunch of them right there. There's what, 4 of them right there. That way you can space in between each one. Not that much. Wait, not that much, but you can space in between one if you need to, if you got a screwdriver or something with a big handle. So that's cool. And these says this is angled end stops, and I'm assuming it goes to these. There's one's here. I don't know if I can get that off of there or not. Let me see. Yeah. There's one, and then here's one. You see? Wait, that ain't one. Right here. Sticking to the nails in my table. Right here. That way, you can fit one more wrench right there. Now you can't hear, when you do this, you can't fit any more wrenches there. It's still sticking to something. But, because all that does is give you like a square corner, which is cool so that it don't bend it over. But this one you would probably still put a wrench in here, even though it's not magnetic. It would be nice if it was, unless I'm doing this wrong, I don't know. But it stands this up where you can still put the regular wrenches there. That way you can have your regular wrenches and then go to your bigger wrenches in the back. So, and it shows only doing 1 per set of wrenches. 1 of these, not 2. You know, not 1 here and 1 here. Just 1 will hold it good enough. So let's get over here to the toolbox and let me organize some stuff and come back and show you how it looks. All right, just going to show you my wrench drawers. This is the metric wrenches. This drawer here is organized pretty good. That plastic thing's not taking up that much space for the Micron wrenches. And this is the middle drawer. those two are taking up a pretty good bit of space, the plastic trays. And then that one over there, that's organized pretty good too. I don't know where I'm going to put these things at. Maybe put them in place of these, like that one. Because I got the ones I thought I was buying Toolbox Widget right there. Let me slide over there. These are Tecton. I thought I was buying Toolbox Widget when I bought them, and I thought they was magnetic, but they're not. So that drawer is pretty organized. That's the 3 metric drawers anyway, metric wrenches. And here's 2, and there's another one right there, Tecton. 2 standard wrenches. Let me open them all the way up. So that's pretty good. Those are organized pretty good. I tell you, in these drawers, them big wrenches, if they're standing up very straight, they hit the top drawer and or the drawer above it, and the drawer won't shut. So you got to pretty much lay them down like that on that red thing, organizer. But this one is organized pretty good too. So just want to show you that. And then this is just for a before picture. Here's the screwdrivers. I'm probably going to put them holders over here. I got one here, but this one here, I don't really like how it holds them. It holds them all right, but could be better. I don't know where I'm going to put them holders at, because as you can see, everything is kind of organized. And then I got to open a different box for the pliers, but we'll get into that later. Okay, I forgot to take a before picture of this, but this rack right here is what I got from Harbor Freight. It holds them all right. I got a whole crap load over there in that drawer of pliers. I would need a bunch of these. I got a lot of pliers. Anyway, let's get these set up over here and see how it looks. Okay, man, this was a chore doing this. Are you ready? No, you ain't ready. Let's do it anyway, right? Let's check this out. No, you ain't ready. Well, you ain't ready, but here we go. That cleaned that up a whole lot. Some of these fit in here a lot better than they did. These do not fit because they're too wide, which they didn't really fit in the other one either. And of course, them don't fit. But looking good. And the Icon flush cuts, they won't fit with the little plastic thing on the end. So I'll just put it right over here. Okay, this is the standard drawer. It looks a whole lot different. It had the 2 red things, and it had these wrenches in the Icon, red Icon case back there in the back, if you remember. So that looks a whole lot better. Nice and neat and clean. This drawer looks a whole lot better. I don't remember how this one was. You're just gonna have to go back and look at the video. But this is a whole lot better. And those, for the larger wrenches, hold wrenches really good. All right, here's a drawer. This is the metric drawer. Those right there are awesome. They stay put. They're a pain in the butt to get put in place if you're picky like me. This drawer changed a lot. A lot of those large ones back there, that came in handy, because a 32-inch or 32 millimeter wrench standing straight up, the drawer won't shut, won't even come close. But is that awesome or what? That looks way better than it did. That's 2 drawers of the metric. I think I got one more. I don't know if I did anything over here or not. Nope, I didn't. That's still the same. Need some more for that. Get rid of that foam. All right, here comes the screwdriver drawer. You remember them big red, and this case here, the plastic thing here was black. One here was gray, one over here was red. This was scooted up. Of course, I rearranged everything. Is that not awesome? And then I put the long Torx on them. Put these on it. Sweet. This is awesome. Made me a little bit more room in here too. I got to figure out something to do with all these. They was inside the bottom of the case over here. I'll show you in a minute. So let's go look at that. Okay. What do I do with them? Oh, they're over there. If you look, there's 3 icon wrench holders there. There's one here. Still in good shape because those wrenches are not that old. Of course, the red is for standard, right? Now I had these. These work pretty good because you can have the bigger wrenches laying down, but these slide around a lot. And they're kind of dirty. Had those in one drawer and these in another drawer. 2 of them. You know, like that with the wrenches across. These are greasy. Greasy. And if you look, at the way these are, let me just get one of each. If you look at the way these are angled the same way, but if you notice, starts out small, goes to the big ones. This one, angled the same way, starts out big, goes to small. That way you can have 2 wrench sets side by side and they don't interfere with each other, if you know what I'm saying. Anyway, I'm trying to figure out a place to put this. Here's the crunchy. Surprised it didn't break apart like the other one did. Screwdriver holder from Snap-on. It's only like 30 years old, or let's see. Yeah, pretty close, about 25. Set these over here. Here is my long Snap-on screwdrivers. It was in this case. As you can see, it's been beat up pretty bad. This one here is the one that my long Torx from Mac was in. And look at it. It completely fell apart when I took it out of the toolbox drawer. And there's a piece right there that goes in here. It looks like there might still be a piece in my drawer. That is one reason why I wanted to do that. And you see that's flapping. This one's flapping right there. So guess where those are going? In the garbage. Okay, I said I was going to check the plier organizers. I still got 9 of those. And the screwdrivers, I still got 2, plus a bunch of spacers. What I didn't mention, I forgot all about, was it also came with some cool stickers. Sweet. I'm probably going to put that one on my truck somewhere. I appreciate it. Toolbox Widget for doing that giveaway, and can't believe I won, but I did. Now I need to get some more of this stuff to finish it off. I got quite a bit of pliers racks or organizers I got to get. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. I hope you liked it. I sure did. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.